Hi everyone, this is Bob from Lineset Machinery. Today I'd like to showcase our CNC tubular turn bend machine. This one is special designed for our customers. There are total 3 tube sizes can be equipped in this machine. There are 6.35, 9.52, and 12.0 millimeter. Machine can be bending different shapes. It can be bending like this one, L shape, and the U shape, the turn U shape, and the other shape. The bending angles, and the bending distance, bending length can be controlled by the HMI system. Next, let me show you how this machine running.